Good evening. This is Miss Lena from Miss Lena's Kitchen. And I'm a little bit late getting on tonight, getting this done. But I'm going to do tuna salad two different ways. I'm gonna stuff a bell pepper with tuna salad. And then I'm gonna do a macaroni with the tuna also. So I will have like two salads here tonight to do this with. And I will be using mayonnaise, Hillman's mayonnaise, and Italian dressing, and then I have I'm going to be using the red onion, and also the bell peppers. I'm going to use the green bell peppers, and I'll be putting also the sweet peppers and eggs. Also, there's tuna. This tuna here is for my macaroni. Okay, so now I'm getting ready to put this tuna into the macaroni, and I've already used just a little bit of sour cream, and I'm going to be putting more, just a little bit more Italian dressing. Okay. Okay, now I'll be also adding some of the eggs into just a little bit of the eggs into the macaroni, which the eggs have already been cut up. Okay, and I'm going to stir this up. Okay. In the meantime, I'll put just a little bit of the red onions also in here. Now, I'll be adding the tuna, which I've already drained the tuna and kind of push it down because, this is tuna in the water. Sometimes they said there's no flavor in the oil, but due to the fact I didn't have any oil tuna, because normally I only buy the water tuna, so that's what I have to use. So I'm going to be stirring it into the macaroni, which I said it's been boiled for a few minutes till it got cooked all the way. And I put maybe a tablespoon of let me see. I put a tablespoon of sour cream in it. Okay. Also, I'm not putting very much mayonnaise in it because I have mayonnaise have a tendency to make a lot of water sometimes. So I'm only gonna put in maybe a good overflow of a tablespoonful. And that's all I'm going to be putting in this one. Okay. So I'm going to stir it until I can get it all blended in to into the whole bowl. Sometimes you can put avocados in here if you have some. I don't have any tonight, though. I wasn't thinking about doing a salad. I was going to do something else. And I changed my mind to do this would be shorter. Okay. So now, I'm going to move this over on this side. I'm going to just put a little bit of lettuce around it. And also, I want to, I'm just kind of chopping the apples up just a little bit to put in here. I'm not putting a lot in here. Okay. Okay. All right, now I'm going to drop this off into my bowl here. And then I'll be, let me see. I think I've got my apples all in here. Okay, this is a little of my sweet peppers going in now on top here. I'm going to put it in the bowl so you all can see it. I also put a tablespoon of garlic powder and a tablespoon of onion powder in to season the flavor sound. So this is what I have with the macaroni salad here. With the macaroni tuna. It's a tuna macaroni. So that's what it is. And it's just, you can also eat it with the crackers. Or you can, and you can also eat it with just, well, only just really anything, anyway, that you would like to eat it with on bread if you'd like also. But then I was just trying to put it in here so you could see how it would work for you guys, okay? I'm going to just slice little pieces of apple and put it around. Because I was trying to make a healthy. Okay, I'm cutting the seeds out, so. Okay. 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 And also, all right. Okay. And this is the finishing touch for my tuna macaroni salad. And it has in it the macaroni, 3 or 4 kinds of bell peppers, the sweet bell peppers and green bell peppers, eggs, granulated powders, granulated garlic, also a tablespoon of sour cream, and also a tablespoon and a half of Hellmann's mayonnaise, and also about 1/4 cup of Italian seasoning. Dressing. So that's what I have. Okay, so I've completed this, and now I'm going to start with I have another one. I'm going to do the stuffed tuna on the bell pepper.